Hey, friends, welcome back to Petter AI Profit. Let me ask you this. What if I told you that you could have a professional virtual host who works for you 24/7, introducing products, boosting sales, and never asking for a paycheck? Sounds crazy, right? Stick around until the end of this video, because I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own AI-powered MC for online sales using free tools. And before we dive in, if you're into AI tools that save time and help you make money online, don't forget to subscribe to the channel right now. Also, watch this video until the very end, because if you miss even one step, you might get stuck and waste hours later.
All right, let's get started. The first thing we'll do is open gemini.google.com. This is where we'll create our virtual MC image. I'll drop the link below in the description so you can easily follow along. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a clean interface. If you're new, go ahead and sign up for the free trial. Yes, Google is currently offering 1 month completely free. After that, you can decide if you want to continue. Now let's try the brand new feature called AI Nano Banana. This is where the magic happens. Basically, it lets you generate stunning AI images just by typing a prompt. For example, I already have some sample prompts ready in a file that you can download below. But don't worry, I'll walk you through step by step. Let's copy prompt number 1 and paste it into the Gemini input box. Then just hit enter. Watch this. AI is now generating a beautiful virtual presenter image in just seconds. Pretty cool, right? Now, once you have the first image, save it to your computer. Next, we'll enhance this by creating another scene. For this, grab prompt number 2 from the file and paste it into Gemini. This one tells the AI to place our virtual host sitting on a living room sofa with some props like flowers and snacks on the table. Click Generate, and boom, you'll see the host in a realistic home setting. This makes the final video feel much more natural. Go ahead and download this second image too. Next, let's add your actual product into the mix. For this, upload the host image plus your product image. Maybe it's a snack, a gadget, or whatever you're selling. Then copy. Prompt number 3, paste it in and send it. The AI will merge your product onto the table right in front of the host. If it doesn't look perfect the first time, don't worry. Just adjust your prompt a little, like asking it to place the box closer or separate it from other props. That way you'll get the perfect shot. After saving that, let's create one more variation. Upload the host again, along with your product image. Then copy prompt number 4 and paste it into Gemini. This one tells the AI to generate a scene where the host is actually holding the product. And look at that. The AI nails it. Now you've got 3 solid images. Host sitting naturally, product placed on the table, host holding the product. These will be the key shots for your final video. Now, let's move to the video making step. Open ChatGPT.com and upload your 3 images. Then copy prompt number 5 from the file and paste it in. This prompt will ask ChatGPT to generate a video script for your virtual host, complete with dialogue. For example, I asked it to create a 24-second video where the host introduces the product in English, but you can switch to French or any other language you prefer. Within seconds, you'll have a ready-made script divided into scenes. Next, let's bring everything together in Gemini VEO 3. Go back to Gemini, click New Chat, select the video option, and upload your first image. Then paste the video prompt from ChatGPT. Hit Enter, and in about a minute, Gemini will generate your first animated video clip. Do the same with your second and third images, each with their matching script. Now you have 3 short AI-generated clips featuring your virtual MC. The final step is editing. Open any basic video editor. I'll use CapCut PC here. Start a new project, import all 3 clips, and drag them onto the timeline. From here, trim them, add transitions, maybe some background music, and you've got yourself a professional-looking product video. Play it back, and there you go. A smooth AI-powered sales video with your own virtual host, made without hiring anyone. And that's it! You've just learned how to create a virtual AI presenter for online sales. No studio, no actors, no expensive team. Just you, a laptop, and AI tools. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Petter AI Profit, and drop a comment below. Tell me, what product would you like to showcase with your own AI MC? I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.